Purslane is an annual trailing plant that grows in many countries because it thrives in poor soil. This plant is an invasive species introduced to North American from India and Persia. Purslane is commonly called pigweed, little hogweed, fatweed. Purslane is often found thriving in the cracks of sidewalks and driveways even during summer's heat. It often pops up in container gardens, flower beds, gardens, fields, waste ground, and roadside through natural propagation, most likely through the bird and other animal droppings. Purslane blooms open around 9 in the morning and closes for good at various times in the day depending on the heat. That's why we called 9 o'clock flowers. Purslane is used in the main traditional medical system of India: Siddha, Ayurvedic, and Unani tib. The juice made from the whole plant is given to children against hookworms. Let's discuss about the propagating of purslane plant. Purslane flowers grow at the tips of the fat stems from late spring through late summer. The flowers typically open from mid morning to early afternoon on hot, sunny days. The flowers grow egg shaped capsules that yield brown to black, flattened seeds that are egg shaped or round. Once it starts growing, purslane does not require special attention in the form of watering or fertilizing. It grows rapidly on its own, producing flowers for about 3 weeks. Purslane spreads rapidly when it is allowed to go to seed. Plants that are uprooted but not removed from the site may begin growing again. Plants need to be pulled by hand to keep them from spreading. When a purslane doesn't bloom, there may be problems with the growing conditions. Although Portulaca is an amazingly low maintenance plant that thrives on neglect, it still has certain requirements for healthy growth. Purslane prefers poor, dry, well drained soil. If Portulaca won't bloom, it may be because the soil is too rich or too soggy. Although you can add sand or a small amount of compost to the soil, it may be easier to start over in a new location. Although porcelain thrives in difficult conditions, they still benefit from a regular drink of water. As a general rule, one deep watering per week during hot, dry weather is sufficient. However, a little extra water won't hurt if the soil drains freely. Porcelain thrives in intense heat and punishing sunlight. That means it likes full sunlight. Too much shade may be to blame when there are no flowers or on moss rows. As a general rule, Portulaca needs 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Deadheading may be impractical when porcelain is in full bloom, but removing old blooms is extremely effective for stimulating new blooms on a poorly blooming plant. Friends, I do every day when flowers are thriving. In the evening, same day, I remove the old flower. Aphids are tiny pests that can wreak havoc when they attack a porcelain plant and messes. Unfortunately, spider mites which love dry, dusty conditions, may be responsible when a moss rose plant doesn't bloom. This succulent plant contains about 93% water. It has red stems and small green leaves. It has a slightly sour or salty taste, similar to spinach and watercress. It can be used in many of the same ways as spinach and lettuce. Porcelain needs full sunlight. Overwatering may cause to die your plant. So don't water it daily because it is a succulent plant. Keep it in a full sunlight and don't require much of fertilizer. Thank you, friends.